Tired of paying for cable or those monthly streaming fees? What if I told you your smart TV can stream over 100 live channels for free? Let's dive into the best free live TV apps you can install right now. Most smart TVs support apps that stream live content directly over the internet. No antenna, no cable box, no subscription, just Wi Fi and your remote. Here are the top free live TV apps you can grab today. 1. Pluto TV offers over 250 channels from news to classic movies. 2. Tubi TV is fantastic for free live channels and a huge on demand library. 3. Samsung TV Plus comes pre installed on most Samsung TVs with 200 plus channels. 4. LG Channels is built right into your LG TV, making it super easy to access. 5. Amazon Freevee is available on Fire TV and Android TV for free movies and live streams. Installing these apps is a breeze. Just open your TV's App Store, type in the app name, and hit download. Once it's installed, launch the app, browse the Live TV tab, and you're good to go. Bonus tip: many of these apps have hidden gems like 24/7 music video channels and gaming streams. Take a few minutes to explore. You'll be amazed at what's free. So ditch those cable bills and start watching smarter. All you need is a smart TV and Wi Fi. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite free app in the comments. I'll feature the best ones in the next video.